Go home happy with the 2017 Cadillac CT6. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. The CT6 sedan combines bold, distinctive style, exclusive luxury, powerful performance, and future-focused technology to keep you safe, connected, and entertained. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, front massage seats, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, panoramic roof, sun, moon roof, navigation system, all-wheel drive, keyless entry. Don't be shy about letting your taste for excellence show. Drive the CT6 sedan.